Hi there, this is Carrie Rhoades with CarrieStamps.com. Today I'm going to be showing you a fun technique, how to make shaving cream rainbows with plain old shaving cream and liquid colors. These are dye-based inks that are liquid form, okay? You're going to put those together and we're going to create amazing rainbow backgrounds. So cool, right? All right, watch the video and see how easy it is, and if you make some, make sure you show me. All right, these are the things you're going to need to start. You need a bottle of shaving cream, not gel, regular cream. You need some baby wipes. You need a paper plate, some paper towels, scratch paper, a spoon, something to scrape with, like a credit card, cardstock to take your prints. I have these cut to 5 1/4 by 5 1/2, card front size. Some toothpicks to mix your colors. You need one for each color. I have dye ink here. These are liquid colors by FSJ. First thing you're going to do is take your shaving cream, make sure it's shaken up, put a card front size amount on your plate. All right, now we don't want those holes in there, so I use the spoon to smooth this out a little bit so my ink will stay on the surface and not drop down into it. Okay, we're done with that. And we're going to take our ink and put about 4 drops of each color in rainbow order. So that was candy apple. This is orange creamsicle. Lemon drop. Oh, that one got too close to the edge. Limeade splash. Catalina splash. And lavender fusion. Oh, my purple drop right there. I'm going to try and scoop that out. Perfect. And I just wipe that on a paper towel. All right, then we're going to take a toothpick for each color. We're going to swirl it side to side and up and down. You want to just spread that color out. You don't want a bunch of concentrated dots for your rainbow. And then I'm going to switch and do a different toothpick for each of my colors. And you can see that they will start blending together. So now we're doing the lemon drop, up and down, back and forth, just to move that color around. And the purple. Okay, then we're going to take a sheet of cardstock and we're going to press that right into the shaving cream. I try and make sure I've got it in contact everywhere, spread it out so I'm getting all the corners of my card. We lift that up. Bring in our scratch paper. Ooh, ooh, careful. This is why we have paper towels and baby wipes everywhere. Get rid of these. And you need your scraper. A credit card, like I said, will work fine here. And you're going to scrape off the shaving cream. Isn't that cool? And then you're going to wipe that. Otherwise, you can transfer that ink. Okay, so wipe it off each time. And there you have it. A little rainbow shaving cream technique. Now don't waste this. Here, you can get a print or 2 more without doing anything. Just come back and press your paper into it again. And then you're going to get something completely different because the ink has moved in a new place now. Wipe that off. Isn't that cool? Sometimes the second one is even more fun than the first. And then you're going to get it all over your hands, so that's where the baby wipe comes into play. And maybe even on your desk. Make sure that you've covered your surface of your desk well. And I'm going to just kind of scoot this around and grab some of that up to do my third print. And let's see what we get on our third try. Okay, so here's the fun part. We've got holes here, but I can still see I've got color. So I'm going to come back and just touch a portion of this to the shaving cream and get some more coverage. So this is fun to do with a scrap too, like, oh, I'm going to need a little purple down in this corner, so I see a little purple here. I'm just going to grab that and added more purple. And I need a little green maybe in here, and I see the green, so I'm just going to try and touch that part of my card in there and added some more. Isn't that fun? And we've got 3 different prints here. Our first pull, second pull, and the third. So try rainbow shaving cream. Super fun.